Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna explain that when and how to get a Spotify Wrapped 2022. Alright, so do you know what is exactly a Spotify Wrapped is? It's basically just a way to see all your favorite music that you listen to from January to October on a particular year, and it's put onto a playlist that is easy to listen. So typically the Wrapped gets released in first week of December, so you can expect the date from 1st December to 6th December to get the Wrapped. If you are a regular listener in Spotify, then it is more likely that you will get the Spotify Wrapped in 2022. So from the last year in 2021, the Spotify Wrapped was released in the 1st of December. First, go to your Spotify. Okay. And from the home screen you will see the Spotify Wrapped if it is already released. If it is not, then you just need to go back and go to the Google Play Store and search for Spotify. As you can see, here is the Spotify app. If you are not up to date at all, then you will see an update button right here. There will be an open button, just need to click on that button. You will see the Spotify Wrapped on the home screen right here. Then the second method, you just need to go to the settings and scroll it down. Here is the notification option. Just need to go to this notifications and you will see the Spotify features and tips. Just go to that option and you will see two notification option, push and email. You need to select all these options and then go back, and another option is the Spotify experience made for you. You just need to do the same for these options too. So when the Spotify Wrapped is released, you will get the notification or email when it is released. So for the last method, you need to go back and go to browser, then search for Spotify Wrapped 2022, then go for it. Here you can see an website and called Spotify 2022 Wrapped. You will select this and you will go to the Spotify Wrapped right here. After download or opening the Spotify, you will get the Spotify Wrapped if it is already available or released or published.